In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to your ClickUp project space dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch ClickUp. Once ClickUp loads, go into the specific project space dashboard you want to work with. Make sure you're in the correct space before moving forward, because this helps ensure the integration is connected in the right place and that the calendar information you want to view or sync is tied to the proper workspace. After you've entered the target dashboard, take a look near your user profile and settings area. In that section, you'll find the integrations panel icon. Go ahead and click it to open the available integration options. If you don't see it right away, pause for a moment and scan the top navigation carefully, since interface layouts can vary slightly depending on your ClickUp setup or recent platform updates. Once the integrations panel is open, look through the available services and select Google Calendar. This is the option that allows ClickUp to connect with your Google Workspace calendar so you can keep your tasks, deadlines, and scheduling information more closely aligned. Choosing the correct integration here is important, especially if your account has access to multiple Google-related tools. After selecting Google Calendar, ClickUp will prompt you to authorize your Google Workspace account details. Continue through the sign-in and authorization process using the appropriate account for the calendar you want connected. As you go through the prompts, review the permissions being requested so you understand what ClickUp will be able to access. This is a normal part of the setup process and helps the two platforms work together smoothly. If your browser already has you signed into Google, this step may go quickly. If not, simply complete the login and approve the connection. Be sure you're authorizing the intended workspace account, especially if you use more than one Google account in Chrome, since it's easy to connect the wrong calendar by accident. Once authorization is complete, the integration should be active and your ClickUp dashboard will be ready to work with Google Calendar. At that point, you can move on to reviewing how your calendar data appears and confirm everything is connected as expected. That's it for the setup process. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have Google Calendar connected to your ClickUp project space dashboard in just a few moments.